I must say that I never felt small, despite coming from a small country. I never had any kind of a complex. I always believed that anyone can do it so long you have your clarity in thinking what you want to do, where you want to be. Well, I have no doubts in my mind that Servier is more than capable of producing corporates of global stature. You know, if we from Nepal can build one despite having gone through series of transitional politics and obstacles, you know, both on political as well as on the social and business side, economic side. And it's purely a question of believing in yourself, believing in your country, facing those challenges with courage, and finding an opportunity in every problem. I think you have everything that it takes. So you will see many billionaires coming from this country. It's just a question of time. I don't necessarily say that you have to indulge into politics, okay, to do business. But if you have that knack and if you believe that you want to at some point of time contribute in a larger scale, politics is the only way. No matter how successful a business you are, okay, businessman you are, or how powerful a leader you are of an apex body representing one sector of the society, you cannot bring a change in the entire country. Big changes are brought in by the vision of the big leaders in politics. Okay, we don't like, in the third world, our job is to continue to criticize politics and yet accept that there is nothing more than politics where all the roads end. I think there are two sides of a coin. You cannot have business without politics and vice versa. I find Serbian business environment more sort of business friendly than in my own country. I'm not flattering because he's sitting here, right? I think we've been operating a plant for 7 months, haven't had any issue at all. The mayor of the city of Ruma, he comes to find out if we have any problem, not the other way around. I think these are the messages which has to go out. And these messages have to go out from people like us. I'm a strong believer that this country is sitting in not only geographically, of course geographically it is sitting. In less than 7 months' time, we've been able to open 18 international markets for exporting our products, all the way from Canada to US. I think it's not about volume alone, but it sends out a great message that Serbia is ready to be transformed into an export hub for Europe, East Europe, and not only Eastern USA. We are even exporting to Middle East. We are exporting to the USA. We don't have any problem with in terms of, and this is possible because of the quality of the product that we are making, because of the connectivity, because of the infrastructure, and also because of the support of the government.